We've just driven about 2 hours from Esteli to AJ Fernandez San Lontano Cigars. So this is, I believe, a new factory which they have recently built. So we're going to have a look around here. Let's see the process. Thank you. Wow. So this is the AJ Fernandez San Lontano rolling room. Absolutely massive.
So we have around 110 team of people working. It's hugely different between Cuba and Nicaragua. In Cuba, just one guy, El Torcedor, who make the cigar. Here we have a team. We have a buncher, we have a roller. The buncher make the bunch, which is filler plus binder, and the roller overlap the wrapper. In this room, we have around 110 teams. We have a daily production around 70,000 cigars. But a particularity of this factory is everybody's new. So they're learning. We are going to increase the production in some point in the future.
So you have facilities in Italy.
Yeah.
Why open one here when you could ship the tobacco down to Italy?
Because we can.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. Really now, having factory in Italy is really expensive. So we start outsourcing our production. Happens that we already have this property and we can grow here. So, but this is something I like to say. Actually, it's a good question. We are bringing jobs to the community. As mentioned before, many people don't stress this enough. The impact we have as a company in the surrounding areas. Now, these people used to have to go to Esteli, to Managua to look for a job. Now they have the job here, and they see their family every day. Actually, we start reverting immigration. People that used to work in Esteli for any other reason, they start coming back and having a place here with us.
So before, would people travel from here to Esteli to work?
Yeah, they stay there.
Think about that. Doing that journey every morning and night.
Yeah. So now they're not only they have a place here. People don't have to move outside the community because we are here. The community have a more.
So this is the room where they color sort all the wrappers. So you've got the dark Maduro wrappers here. You've got the Colorado. You've got the Connecticut wrappers here, the Colorado, and then the Maduro down the end.
You can smell how sweet it is. Now, a big difference between this factory and San Fernandez is how we ferment tobacco and how we age the tobaccos. Because here we have basement, they develop that slightly different. That's why the style of here is completely different from the in Italy.
It's very sweet.
Yeah. That Cuba is floral. We are spicy and earthy, but different regions are gonna slightly change that. Basically, we have tobacco from Italy, for example. They are really spicy, really strong. Tobacco from Jalapa, in this case, they are really sweet. Tobacco from Condegua, Pueblo Nuevo, for me, they tend to be woody notes, nutty notes. Tobacco from Metepe is earthy and floral. And tobacco from Kilali, they are fruity and spicy. Somebody was asking me about Ocotal. Tobacco from Ocotal is going to be really strong but sweeter. So, but still working on that. So we don't know completely. So this tobacco is from here, has been aged and fermented. You can smell it. Even though they are the same, the aroma and flavor change a little bit.
So in here, all the cigars are becoming box pressed. I mean, I've never seen so many cigars in one big pile in my life. Look at that. Look at that. And there's more, guys. Look at this. That is incredible. Even as behind the camera, look at that. So the cigars get delivered here in bundles of 50, and then they are transferred to the box pressing machine, which I will show you in a moment. So this is where the cigars are getting box pressed, in this mold.
You change the burning, you change the flavor. So in this vitola process,
This is the process of box making. So they come completely rounded from the rolling room,
So that's the first step.
so this is the first step.
and then they will
Guys, you want to see how it's done? Just to explain. So these
put the mold
these
on
are
top.
The cigars, right out of the Hot Wheels that are there. This is how they look after rolling and so on. And then he puts them in the mold. ¿Y cómo los prensa? ¿Qué le ponen?
Se meten en prensa y después se viran y ya se
Pero le ponen los
reglas,
paseadores,
sí,
¿no?
las reglas. Ya en la virada ya salen con esto aquí ya. Se viran.
So this cigar,
Sí.
after 24 hours, ends up looking like this.
Se le dan 4 horas así sin regla, se viran y después le meten la regla y sacan sin.
Señala aquí, Carlos.
Just 24 hours, that's it. 24 hours.
So this is the AJ Fernandez
Now, the other thing you have to keep in mind
fermentation
is that
room.
different master blenders.
So here we are at the AJ Fernandez tobacco field. Now, as you can see on this trip, all the producers are quite behind the farming, about 60 days. Because of the hurricane, they've all had to delay the planting of the tobacco. So all the seeds are now getting ready for the first planting. This is the AJ Fernandez tobacco plantation in Esteli. My goodness me. Now, this is what a tobacco field is. Look at that. Another AJ Fernandez lot, I should say. But have a look. What's on the other side of this camera? Go on. There you go.
Now we have two ways on growing tobacco: shade grow and sun grow. Shade grow is explained ahead on the tour, but sun grow what happened is because we have full sunlight. We have full photosynthesis. Remember, what gives you the body basically is the amount of sugar inside the leaf and the amount of oil. Here, because they are more unprotected against the elements, the leaf have to develop those oil. You can touch it, you can feel how grassy the leaf is.
Wow. Super oily also, eh?
Now this tobacco is almost done. They need maybe like a 15 days to harvest.
everybody's support.
Thank you. Thank you for your good cigars.
31. Sí, today number 3 in Cigar Journal.
Woo! Hooray! Hooray!
Great to see you. Thank you very, very much for
It's my pleasure. Thank you for your support, everybody. ¿Estamos listos? Quiero darle las gracias a todos, primero por tomarnos en cuenta y visitar nuestra compañía y ser un gran apoyo para nosotros estar donde estamos hoy en día.
AJ, want to thank you all for first coming to visit us, and secondly for being a grand supporter of our brands.
Nuestra compañía es una compañía de familia que solo lo único que nos enfocamos es en hacer un producto de buena calidad y hacer todas las cosas día a día mejor, porque tenemos una gran responsabilidad entre nosotros y si no fuera por la calidad nuestra y hacer las cosas como las hemos venido haciendo en los últimos 20 años, hoy no fuéramos AJ Fernandez.
We are a family business, and we focus in create great tobacco, and we take the time to create cigars responsibly. Hablo mucho, hablo demasiado.
O sea, una gran responsabilidad para hacer un buen cigarro. ¿Por qué? Porque si no fuera por las personas que tenemos a nuestro alrededor y las personas que nosotros nos sentimos tan responsables día a día con ellos, no fuéramos hoy en día AJ Fernandez.
Yes, we feel great responsibility for the people that work with us, that support our brands. Without them, we will not be the company that we are today.
Entonces, quiero darle nuevamente las gracias porque ellos son uno de los que más nos impulsan a nosotros a cada día, trabajar mejor, a trabajar los tabacos con mejores pesos, a hacer las cosas de una gran diferencia sobre muchas personas, y si no fuera por ellos, hoy no estuviéramos donde estábamos, porque todo el mundo pone un granito de arena.
That he want to be thankful to all of you again, because without your support with all brands, we will not be able to put all the effort we have in our cigars, all the process to create great tobacco.
Y aquí hay un dicho muy verdadero,
Here
que
we
es
have a saying:
la pasión,
passion,
un buen tabaco
great tobacco,
y la disciplina que tenemos para hacer mejor día a día.
discipline to be better every day.
Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias, thank you.
On behalf
And,
of the UK retailers,
and
we have from Glasgow, Edinburgh and Scotland, all parts of England, London. We even have an Irish guy, a Cuban guy, 2 Italian guys.
Sí, yo lo entendí todo.
Yeah? Yeah. You understand the Scots, huh?
yeah.
So, but no, thank you for your hospitality today. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Thank you.
Okay?
And we look forward to the
Hay
rest
una
of the
historia
day.
bonita.
Let's have a beautiful story.
Cuando yo en el año 2014 tenía New World,
In 2014, when I was starting New World,
como Scott y yo nos conocimos,
when I met Scott, when we met him,
fue por cuenta del pinche New World.
was because the pinche New World.
I was
Entonces,
first.
en ese año
In that year,
me dieron el número 1 del Top 25.
that year I got the number 1 spot, the 25.
Y Scott, yo le agradezco mucho,
And I really appreciate Scott
porque él me dijo a mí, no importa, New World es mío, pero yo te lo doy. Y gracias a ese impulso que él me dio, hoy New World es la marca que es a nivel mundial.
New World is mine, but I give it to you. And thanks to that, New World is the brand that is now today.
And it's
Y yo,
mine.
yo tengo un lindo recuerdo y un gran agradecimiento hacia él,
I have
y quiero
beautiful,
expresarlo delante de ustedes.
I have beautiful memories and a very fond appreciation of Scott, and want to express it here in front of you.
Wow, thank
Aw.
Okay?
you. Thank you.
Thank
Okay. One story back.
you.
We registered New World in 2011. Okay.
Otra historia de regreso. Registramos New World en 2011.
In 2021, when I went to check to
En
keep
2021.
it going, I checked the date. The 15th of April 2011, my son's birthday.
Es el cumpleaños
story.
mío.
Sí.
Wow.
True story.
Wow.
I didn't know.
Increíble.
I didn't know until 2021.
Increíble.
So there you go. So,
Y nos vemos en Escocia en julio 26.
yeah,
See you in Scotland.
you're coming.
Yeah.
You're coming. Good man.
Ah.
Let's
Thank
do
you,
it.
thank you.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
I try to discover it as
What
much as
a
possible.
day to smoke
Either
this
this
cigar.
one, like the Arapiraca, are two type of tobacco which are not
Number
available yet.
3
It's even harder.
cigar of the
Yeah,
year
I heard about it.
2024.
But they're interesting.
So, first of all, thank you again for coming, and it's super special, you know, that you guys are here today because we got the number 3 from Cigar Journal with the Dia de Gloria Brazil Figurado. So we're honored to share this with you guys. Okay? We really hope you guys enjoy it. Okay.
Yep.
So here you go.
Thank you very much.
Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, Freddie.
Who has tried it?
Thank you very much.
before.
You've tried it.
Yeah, we only launched this in the UK last month.
Wow.
Ah, Lauren está aquí. Gracias.